Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out a very unique side dish made using eggplant or brinjal. This side dish best goes with sambar rice or rasam rice. Also you can serve it along with chapathis or rottis. Very simple recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken 4 large brinjal. This weighs 300 grams. Clean wash it and keep it ready. Now make some random cuts like this. This is just to make sure it is cooked evenly while steaming. Likewise, make cuts in all the 4 brinjal. Place the brinjal in the steaming plate and steam for 10 minutes in high flame. It's been 10 minutes now, so let's open and check. The brinjal is well cooked. Allow them to cool completely. Meanwhile, let's prepare a masala. To a mixer jar, add 1 green chilli, 1 piece of ginger and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Grind it coarsely. Keep this ready. Now our brinjal is nice and cool, so peel off the skin. The skin will easily come out. Likewise, peel off all the 4 brinjal and keep it ready. Cut into 4 quarters and remove the inner seeds. You can discard the seeds. Chop the flesh into cubes like this. Now we are done with cutting all the 4 brinjal. Now let's start the preparation. Heat a pan. Into this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of Urad Dhal, 1/4 teaspoon of Channa Dhal, 2 dried red chilies and few curry leaves. Give it a quick saute. Then add the ground masala and half teaspoon of salt. Mix it well until the raw flavor of the masala goes off. Then add the chopped brinjal and mix it for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, off the flame and allow it to cool completely. I've taken 1 cup of curd in a mixing bowl. Mix it well with a spoon. Then to this add the brinjal mixture and mix it well. Now a delicious brinjal side dish is ready. Serve it with some rice or chapati and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and a delicious side dish recipe. So do try this brinjal side dish recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.